All right, continuing on to the second page. In the same way that we use variables such as x and y to represent values, which vary or change, we can also use symbols such as rectangle or oval to represent values that change. For example, we can choose to say that rectangle is the number of students who scored an 80 or better on the latest exam. We can say that oval is the number of students that woke up earlier than usual on a given day. So we can factor 3x times rectangle plus 5 times rectangle. We treat the rectangle like any other variable. So let's actually do a little bit more of that. So over here, what's my greatest common factor? It's the rectangle. So we notice here, I'm going to skip a space, put my rectangle on the outside, and then I'm going to divide by the same rectangle. This cancels to give me a 1 times 3x, which is 3x. And this is going to cancel to give me a 1 times the 5. I get plus 5. Same thing on number 7. The greatest common factor between these two big terms, again, is going to be, that's right, rectangle. I'm going to open my parentheses and divide by the rectangle. Cancels. I'm going to have 4x. And cancels. I'm going to have plus 3. Let's look at another one. What's the greatest common factor here? Well, if you said rectangle again, you're absolutely correct. Open my parentheses. I'm dividing by rectangle. Dividing by rectangle. This cancels here to give me a 1. I'm left with 5x. This cancels here to give me a 1. I'm left with plus 7. Cool. So after a while, you start to recognize the pattern, okay? Go ahead and complete 9, 10, 11, and then we'll come back to 12 together.